Okay guys, I have a GTX 960 Turbo. You can see the color here. As you can probably search on YouTube. I don't know if there's a reference here. Let me focus that. No, sorry. As you can search on YouTube, it makes a lot of noise. A lot of noise when it's working. Even on idle. It was driving me crazy. So what I did was I simply took the cooler off. I don't care if it voided my guarantee. I don't my warranty. I don't care. With the I had a 140 millimeter fan laying around, and I just took two zip ties, two for here and two for the back, and I simply connected it to the board. This fan is connected to the motherboard, so it's running on full tilt, and it's cooling everything, as you can see. It's pretty much the same length as the PCB board, so I have a little bit of space in here, I have a little bit of space in there, and I have a little bit of space in there. Probably just this one little thing here. Probably it's not getting a lot of cool air, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. And it makes a lot of difference, not only in noise but in temperatures. The temperatures on idle went down between 6 to 10 degrees. I was getting between 26 and 30. Now I'm getting between 20 and 21. Very, very stable. And on full load, doing the future mark, I think it's called, I don't know. I'll leave the link description and the link below this, below the video. It was running at 60 degrees. I had the test running for 1 hour, and it was 60 degrees. After 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, I think it was about 5 minutes in, the temperature flatlined at 60 and didn't move anymore. So I'm very happy with this modification. I hope you guys enjoy it. Quick disclaimer, I'm not responsible for any modifications that you guys do. I did this one on my car because it was driving me crazy and I didn't want that noise. So it's just to let you guys know, it's quick, it's easy, and it works. And it's cheap. Okay, bye.